The first step in the process is really to determine the keyword phrases that you want to be found for. Most businesses that we go to, that we talk to, immediately give us a list and say, here's the final list we want. That's rarely the list, because the way that people search for their products and services may not be the way that internally that you talk about them. So we take those phrases and we'll start the keyword research them. Now, one tool that we use is Google's keyword tool. I've done a search here on private schools, for example, and what this keyword tool, and you can get to this just by searching on Google keyword tool. It will show the number of searches per month for various phrases related to this. So this will give you a better idea of how people search. Kind of a second step to this also is, once you think, oh, this is the phrase, then do an actual search on that phrase so that you can see what the results are, because sometimes phrases have different meanings in different industries, and you may end up competing with somebody not even in your industry, which you certainly don't want to do, and because you want your competitors to show up there if it's a relevant search phrase there. So that's kind of the starting point. This can be a very time-consuming process as far as determining the right keywords, but it's absolutely critical, because if you build your program on the wrong keywords, it's not going to help your business.
Now, from a competitive standpoint, you likely have the same keywords as everybody else. If you're a DFW dentist, it'll be dentist, could be braces. So how do you separate yourself from the pack?
Well, we separate ourselves from the pack by really looking at the competition. If we decide we want to go after DFW dentists, for example, we look at those top sites. We look at the sites to see how well they're organized and how well the content's organized around the phrases. And then we also look at the incoming links to the site, because incoming links are a critical factor. It's estimated that it's half of Google's formula is based on incoming links. So we frequently obtain incoming links from other sites, from directories, from social media. There's just a variety of techniques that we use to work with a customer to obtain incoming links so that they end up with a competitive number of links compared to those other top sites in Google.
On a related topic, incoming links. How do you get incoming links? Well,
we get them from directories, for example. We get them from social bookmarking sites. We also use some services that will provide us links from other sites throughout the web that are relevant to our particular keyword phrases.
Okay, I'm a dentist or I'm a chiropractor. I want other people to link their site to my site. How do I go about it?
Well, if you have organizations that you belong to, if you have other associations, other professionals that you're involved with, having them linked to your site is absolutely critical. You can also ask your customers to do reviews in Google, for example, to provide links this way, which is very important from the local perspective, from the local results to get your site ranked high. So people doing reviews on your site is also very important.